Hi, what's up? Hey, I'm great. What have you been doing? I have been having fun. You know what? I went to a wedding yesterday. It was my cousin's wedding. Wow, that's cool. So, how was the wedding? It was a beautiful wedding. That's great. The bride was looking beautiful. The wedding gown that she was wearing, that was really beautiful. Beautiful. Even the venue of the wedding was really beautiful. Hang on, stop saying beautiful now. I'm sick of listening to this word again and again. So what can I say instead? Let's learn some alternatives of the word beautiful. Hello dear English learners, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka Chaudhary. So are you also tired of using the same word again and again? And sometimes it happens because of using the word many times in our sentences, the listener becomes quite boring and loses the interest in the conversation. And you know what? How can you sound an advanced English speaker? For that, you must have alternatives of the word that you keep using in your speech or in your sentences. So in this video, we are going to learn some alternatives of the word beautiful. Are you guys ready? Let's begin. So here we have the first word. This is gorgeous. You can use this word for talking about any view, person, beach, or weather, or anything or any object. For instance, did you see the sunset yesterday? It was gorgeous. She was wearing a gorgeous wedding dress. You're looking gorgeous today. Now let's have a look at the next alternative of beautiful. And here is the next one. You can use this word for talking about day, weather, sky, or any view. How? Let's learn. It was a glorious weather yesterday. After raining for so long, the sun was out again and it was a glorious day. Our country has a beautiful? No, glorious past. And the next alternative I have for you is adorable. You can use this word for talking about any baby, puppy, or kitten. For instance, you can say like, my sister's baby is adorable. Look at that kitten. Isn't she adorable? Mira's new puppy is adorable. Aw, that baby is so adorable. Now let's have a look at the next alternative, and the next word is wonderful. You can use this word for talking about any view. For instance, the view from this hotel is wonderful. Or you can say something like this, we really had a wonderful weekend this year. And the next word is breathtaking. You can use this word for talking about something like scenery or view or drive. For instance, looking at my cousin driving a car is breathtaking. I was standing on the top of the mountain and looking down from there was breathtaking for me. Or you can say, my sister went to an amusement park a week ago and there she took breathtaking rides. And the next word I have for you is stunning. You can use this word for talking about any woman, outfit, or any view. For example, look at that woman, she is stunning. My friend is wearing an stunning outfit. The view of the balcony was stunning. And this word is attractive. You can use this word for talking about any person, house, or location. For instance, look at this house. This is an attractive house. The hotel was situated in an attractive location, or the village is located in an attractive location. My friend's house is really attractive. And the next alternative I have for you is splendid. For instance, we had a splendid time during the party. Or you can say our room had a splendid view. And the next word I have for you is exquisite. You can use this term for talking about anything that is amazing or perfect. For instance, the bride, the venue, the food, we couldn't complain about anything. It was an exquisite wedding. Or that was an exquisite performance. And the next word is enchanting. This also means beautiful. You can use this term in sentences like these. I visited an enchanting village previous year. Gardens are enchanting at night. Visiting Prem Mandir was such an enchanting experience for me. And that's it for today's video. I hope you are going to use all these alternatives of the term beautiful, and you are not going to use beautiful again and again in your sentences. If you found this video really helpful and interesting, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.